So I know how you nerds like unboxing for whatever reason, and I decided to open this box in front of you guys to get you guys maybe hot and heavy. People, is that getting you going? I know some of you are getting pretty hard. Anyways, I've already cut it open. Wow, two sides. My biggest concern here is whether or not the tires are going to be pre-inflated. Oh, look at that. One tire, two tires, three tires, four. If you could only smell these. Oh, brand new, brand new. Little wee bit handle here. How's the unboxing so far? You guys almost there? Almost at the edge of climax? Ooh, handle. Instructions. Oh, look at this. Would you look at this? This is the tailgate here. Look at that. Oh, overall construction. It's pretty much what you could expect from Princess Auto. Somewhere in the between, you know? Not top of the line, but not mediocre. It's there. It's there. So, wow. Oh, wait until you see this. Here's the other little piece here. Oh, that's part of the other tailgate. Oh. Listen. Perfectly numbered. Wowzers. Oh. Look at this. Put the wheels here. Cotter pins. Easy peasy. Wowzers. And then the bottom. Oh. Beauty. Here, look. Take a quick peek. Oh, Gorilla Carts. Gorilla Carts. I had to read that upside down. Well, that's my first unboxing, folks. So be gentle on the comments. I'm an amateur.